Hello, my dear student. Our lesson today is lesson 88. Our learning target today is to add fractions with the same denominator. If we have two bases of sweets, first base, and divide it into three equal parts, and the other 1 into 8 like this, and shade it first bar, shade it two parts, and the second shade it of two 5 parts. Can we add these bases together? First, like the fraction of the first bar, 2 third plus the fraction of second bar 5 eighths. We can't add these bases together because they cut it into different sides. This side not the same size. To add them together, we must cut in the same size. For example, divided the two bases into three equal parts. And shaded one part the first base and shaded two parts in the second base. Write the two fractions first, fraction third plus 2 thirds equal what? We cut them into the same size, they have the same denominator. The same denominator. So, third plus 2 thirds equal what? Like the same denominator in result and add the two numbers in numerator. 1 plus 2 equal 3. We note that the size of these bases denominator don't change, but the number of bases in numerator is changed. Okay? So to add fraction with the same denominator, added this numerator and then write the same over the sum over the same denominator. Another example, if we have two models and divided into 4 equal parts and shaded of the first model, shaded 2 parts and the second model shaded of 1 part. Write the first fraction 2 fourths plus the second fraction 1 fourth equal what? Can we add the two fraction? Yes or no? Yes, because the denominator, the same number, and write the same denominator in the first, the result in denominator, and add the different two number in the numerator. 2 plus 1 equal 3. Open your book, page 98. Order the number 6 blue as directed, from least to greatest. First, 432 and 342, 443, 324. Which is the smallest number? 300, the smallest, greatest place. So 3 as the number 3. Look at the next digit, 4 and 2. Which is the smallest number? 324 or 342? The smallest number, 324. And cancel it and write the next number, 342, and cancel it. Which is the smallest number, 432 or 442? The smallest number, 432, and cancel it, 443, this greatest number. The next, 10,245, 11,123, 2,451, 10,001. Which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? 10,000 or 11,000 or 2,000 or 10,000? 2,000 is the smallest number. So write 2,451 and cancel it. The next number, smallest, 10,000 or 11,000 or 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest number. 10,001 or 10,245. 10,000 and 1, this smallest number, and the next number, 10,245, and cancel it. The last number, 11,123. From greatest to least, 999, 90, 199, 991. Which is the greatest number? The greatest number is 999, and cancel it. And which is the greatest number, 90 or 199 or 991? This greatest number is 991, and cancel it. And 199, cancel it. The smallest number is 90. Next, 89, 89,000, 1,000, 1 and 1, 90,000 and 2, 90,000 and 20, 8,999. Which is the greatest number? 89,000 or 90,000 or 8,000? 90,000 is greatest number. Then compare between these two numbers, 90,000 and 2 or 90,000 and 20. So 90,000 and 20 is greatest number. Write this number and cancel it, and write 90,002 and cancel it. And compare between two numbers, 89,000 or 8,000. The greatest number is 89,001. Write this number and cancel it. And the last number, 8,999, and cancel it. The next page. Answer the following questions. Be sure to show your work. Candy bar 1. Write this model as a fraction. First, how many all parties in this model? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 in denominator. And how many shaded of part? 1, 2. Write 2 in numerator. Candy bar 2. Write this model as fraction. First, how many all parties in this model? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 in denominator. And how many shaded parts in this model? 1 part. Write 1 in numerator. Add the two fractions together and draw the sum in the model below. First, write two forces and force. Two forces and force. Can we add? Yes, because the same denominator is 4. Write 4 in denominator as it, and add the two numbers in numerator. 2 plus 1 equal 3. This fraction 3/4. So I need shaded of 3 parts because the number in numerator is 3. Like this. Next page. Solve the addition problems below. Draw model to show your work. 3/8 plus 2/8 equal what? First, draw the two fractions. First fraction 3/8. I can 3 shaded of 3 parts of first model, and second model shaded of 2 parts because the number in numerator is 2. How many all parts in any model? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same number in denominator. So write 8 in denominator. And we add the two numbers in numerator. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 2, 6 plus 3 6. First, draw the two models and shaded one part in this model and shaded of 3 parties in this model. And the two fraction, they write 6 in denominator, the same number in this two fraction, and add the two numbers in numerator. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Count all shaded parties into models. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3, half plus half. First, draw the two models. And divide it into two equal parts. And shade it of one part. The number 2, the same number in denominator, so write 2 in denominator and add the two numbers in numerator. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Count the all shaded of two models. 1, 2. Number 4, third plus third. Draw two models and divide it into 3 equal parts. And shade it of 2, 1 part in two models. And add the two fractions. Write 3, the same number in denominator, and add the two numbers in numerator. 1 plus 1 equals 2. The two shaded of parts in the two models. Fourth plus 2 fourths equal what? Write draw two models and divide it into 4 equal parts and shade it of first model, shaded one part and second fraction shaded into parts because the numerator equal to, and add the two fraction. Write 4 in denominator, and because the same number in denominator into fraction, and add the two numbers in numerator. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Page 101. In the box below, write and solve your own problem adding two fractions with the same denominator. For example, 2 fifths plus 1 fifth equals what? 5. The first fraction, write 5 in denominator, and second fraction, write 5 in denominator. We must write 5 in denominator because the same number, and add the two numbers in numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Next page. Reflect on your learning about adding fractions. Answer the question below. You may use words, numbers, and pictures to show your think, why can we only add fractions that have the same denominator? Because they have the same size.